Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly create a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT. Okay, so in this activity you need ChatGPT and the right type of prompt to generate the slide. Okay, I've tried this activity with other AI tools like Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek, but they cannot uh, generate the slide presentation using PowerPoint. So at this stage, only ChatGPT can do this. Okay. So here you can see that I've already typed the prompt. So the prompt must be written in natural language and must contain clear instruction so that it will you'll communicate clearly with the AI to generate the feedback that you want. So here I typed create a slide presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. The presentation should include the title slide, introduction, body and conclusion. Include only main points on each slide. Okay. The last part of the prompt is the reference. Now the reference is the guide that will direct the AI to generate the presentation based on the right file. So if you don't include this one, then it will not create the presentation for you. Okay. So once you're satisfied with the prompt, then you need to upload the reference document that the AI will use to use as a guide to create the presentation for you. So I'm going to click on the plus tool here, or upload tool. It looks like a plus symbol. So I'm going to click on that one. And I'm going to click on upload from computer. Okay. Okay, the document that I'm looking for is saved on the desktop, so I'm going to click on desktop, and then I'm going to scroll up and down to look for the document. Okay, this is the PDF file that I'm going to upload. So click to select and then click open. Okay, the document is now uploaded to ChatGPT. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the submit button on the right hand side, and then let ChatGPT to generate the presentation for me. Okay, ChatGPT is still analyzing and processing the slide presentation. Okay, this skill is very useful. Example, you're working in an organization and then you're tasked to present a report, end of the month report or end of the year report. All you need to do is upload the report and then use generative AI success ChatGPT to quickly create the PowerPoint slide for you to save time. Okay, as you can see, ChatGPT successfully created the PowerPoint slide. It's already here. So I'm going to click on the link to download it. Okay, I'm going to save the file in the download folder. Okay, then I'll click save. So this is the name of the file. Okay, I'm going to go to the download folder and then locate the PowerPoint slide presentation. Okay, download. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to open it. Okay, if you want to edit the slide presentation, then you click on enable editing. Then you can scroll up and down and check the content of all the slides. Okay, ChatGPT create about 8 slides altogether, total of 8 slides. That is the title slide. Now you can continue to edit the slides presentation by applying designs, animations, transitions, and all this. Okay, the latest version of Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, you have the designer here. So if you cannot see designer here, you can click design and then designer. Okay, this is the AI tool for applying designs to each of your slides. Okay. You can apply the same type of design to all the slides, so you can apply different designs. To example, a different design for the title, introduction, the rest you apply others designs. Okay, I'm going to apply this one to the title. Okay, I'm going to click on the second, the introduction. Okay, it's still generating the design. Okay, or scroll up and down and look for a design that I want to use. Alright, I'm going to use this one here. So click on it. So you continue applying designs to all your slides to make your design look beautiful and more professional. You can also apply transitions, animations to make your slide presentation more interesting and professional. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope you learned something from this activity.